Hey guys, in today's video, I thought it would be fun to look at the best performing Christmas ornaments selling on Etsy right now. We can use Etsy Hunt's product database to do this with sales projections, or I guess not projections, it actually just counts how many sales these listings are making. I like to sort by the 7-day sales column so that we can see what is selling well again right now. So what do you say we do that, and we can use this to inform our decisions for selling print-on-demand Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. All right, cool. So we are here at Etsy Hunt. I'm going to go to products and then go to Etsy product database. They have a massive product database and it's easy to query. They have over 55 million products indexed in their database from Etsy. So I'm going to click in here and I'm going to type Christmas ornament. So we're going to get a head start. And actually, you know what I realized? Because check this out. I did a quick search before I hit record. Some of the top ranking ones are graphics, you know, SVGs, PNGs, etc. Which if you're a digital product seller, hey, there's already demand. Check out, some of these have made 279 sales in the last 7 days. That's insane as SVGs. But we're not looking to sell that. We're looking to sell print on demand. So I'm going to go to product type and I'm going to go to basically everything except digital. Okay. So I'm going to check all of those except for digital, and then it will update the results. So check this out. I will zoom in one more time. It looks like the first bestseller is this unfinished wooden Christmas tree ornament. So it's a crafting item, it looks like. Not print on demand, so not really relevant to us, and a very low price. That's crazy. But not relevant to us, so we'll skip that. It looks like the next one, Baby's First Christmas 2023. So I'm not just looking at the product itself. I'm thinking of the niche and the keywords associated with these product listings that are selling this well. So it looks like this one, and we're sorted by 7-day sales. This has made 81 sales in the last 7 days. So check this listing out right here. 5 people have bought in the last 24 hours. Beautiful. $14.95 price point. That's nice. Now this is not exactly something that I don't think we can offer as print on demand. It looks like there's a little bit of a higher degree of sophistication, unless you guys have seen a supplier that has these. But the takeaway, maybe we're not going to be able to compete directly on this specific product, but the niche, Baby's First Christmas, I'm definitely going to remember that. If you're taking notes, maybe write that one down for your ornaments, okay? We're getting a nice early head start here on the Christmas ornaments, and it's really never too early. I did a couple videos last week. There was some interest, and why not actually use data based on what's selling right now to make some more informed decisions. So Baby's First Christmas. Also check out the first phrase in the title, Baby's First Christmas Ornament 2023. You typically want to front load your titles with the most relevant keywords. So again, I'm taking a note of that as well. All right, next one up. This looks like something we might be able to sell ourselves. Looks like a personalized family Christmas ornament. Okay, personalized family Christmas ornament. And again, by the way, remember that as primary search terms potentially. And you can actually see the design, very simple. These look like the type of ornaments that I know we can fulfill right now with Printify, okay, for very low and very competitive base costs. So make sure if you're not on Printify already, I'll put my link in the description. If you use code Ryan, you get a free month of premium for the lowest fulfillment costs. Anyways, just to give you an idea of what type of designs sell too. I mean, that's a simple design. That's not like they even added a background or anything like that. They left the ornament white. They did, you know, some text in the foreground and some stockings. Obviously, you would probably want to have a little bit of flexibility with the number of stockings matching the number of names. So if a family of 5 asks you for a custom ornament, you would want to be able to accommodate that. Otherwise, maybe mention, you know, distinctly. And notice how a lot of personalized offers on Etsy, the sellers, they use the space above the personalization area to give explicit instructions. So the more direct you are with your instructions and the less variables you introduce, the easier time you'll have making sales, okay? So that is nice to see, and it has done 77 sales in the last 7 days. So already selling quite well. This one, stay strong. Thinking of you, you got this motivational Christmas ornament. Let's take a closer look on Etsy. And while it loads, this has done 60 sales in the last 7 days. And this listing is an older listing. It's probably been on Etsy for at least a few years. No, actually, it was released last year in 2022. All right. Etsy Hunt actually gives us the release date right there, just so you know. So in the last year and basically 1 month, it's made 2,700 sales. That is quite nice. Okay, so this is what the listing looks like. It says, sometimes life can be tough, but always remember, so are you. So it is a stay strong, motivational Christmas ornament. Anybody who has experience with selling the message card jewelry, maybe. I know that was really popular prior to there being some issues lately with Etsy, not wanting as much of the message card jewelry on their platform. If you were successful, you can probably translate a lot of those niches that were working on the message card jewelry into Christmas ornaments, because I know so far, I mean, a lot of these are looking pretty familiar, except maybe the ones for newborns. You wouldn't want to give them jewelry, right? So anyways, motivational Christmas ornaments. All right, let's see what's next. Personalized first Christmas bear decoration. We'll check this out on Etsy as well, and let's also spy on the sales. So 50 sales in the last 7 days. Personalized, oh, it's got that transparency there. And it is a first Christmas bear decoration. So it's the Christmas bear angle, I guess. And of course, also personalized with the newborn baby's name on it as well. So that was 50 sales in the last 7 days. This one, the next one, is spin bike inspired ornament, and it's got a Peloton logo. 50 sales in the last 7 days, but I do not condone putting the logos of like big brands, big corporations on products. The next one does not look like something we can do with print on demand, but it's a pretty cool, just interesting concept. If you wanted to like go out of your way to maybe source these, you'd probably have to find a manufacturer overseas, potentially buy them in bulk and then customize them yourself, if I had to guess, unless you know a supplier that has these. But again, the baby's first Christmas. And guys, we've seen enough of these first Christmas niche ornaments selling really well to, I think, know at this point pretty safely that this is going to be a niche that generates a lot of sales, okay? We didn't need to lead with this for a YouTube video. Why don't we actually do the discovery process together like we're doing right now, okay? Also, if you're interested in Etsy Hunt, they have a free tier. You can literally open a free account and do what I'm doing. And I think it's like $4 a month if you want to upgrade. I do have an affiliate link in the description if anybody wants to support the channel. But yeah, Etsy Hunt, I mean, nice when it comes to the product database for sure. They've got other functionality, but this is my favorite. So next one, personalized family and pet Christmas ornament. You might be thinking, but Ryan, if I sell a family ornament, of course they can include the pets. Yeah, but sometimes customers type into the search bar and pet, right? And if you exclude those search terms from your listing, you're relying on the Etsy algorithm bridging that gap somehow, right? And it's like, why even you just provide these keywords, whether you have to create a separate listing or potentially just include these in your tags, or if you have room in your title. That's my favorite place to do it. So anyways, family and pet ornament. I love that idea. Okay. Again, the family theme doing really well, very strong here. 47 sales in the last 7 days. Now, why don't we pick up the pace a little bit and kind of scroll through the remainders? And this is only page 1 of results, by the way. I mean, there's I think it said at the top there was like 200,000 products indexed on these search terms. I did keep it generic. I said Christmas ornament. So the next one, custom family photo ornaments. And I actually just did a video on this last week. I believe it was dropped on Thursday. I can drop a link to that video in the description and in the YouTube cards if you guys want to check it out. Basically showing you how you can use Placeit. They have a background remover tool, so you can get a photo from your customer, remove the background, feed it right into a Placeit mockup, and well, I guess you wouldn't need the mockup, I guess, at that point, but hopefully you get the gist of it. If you needed to create a listing, you could use the mockups and make a pretty nice listing. Acrylic engaged ornament, so engagement Christmas ornaments selling well, 45 sales in the last 7 days. Personalized light bulb Christmas ornaments, so again, that's a custom shape, probably not able to do that with print on demand. Personalized Christmas stockings. Now that's outside the scope of ornaments, but you can in fact sell Christmas stockings as well, fulfilled by Printify, okay? That did 44 sales in the last 7 days. Custom family cookie ornament. Knit Christmas stocking. So again, stockings, not exactly Christmas ornaments. Ghost Christmas ornaments. Okay, so Halloween ornaments. Nice. Personalized engagement Christmas ornaments. Again, another engagement ornament. 43 sales in the last 7 days. Personalized photo memorial Christmas ornament. So anybody who had, someone significant in their life pass away, that's another one of those that I know was doing well with the jewelry. So translates into ornaments, makes sense. Personalized baby's first Christmas. Again, another one. 43 sales in the last 7 days. I mean, we're still in October here. They're doing 43 sales in 7 days. Pretty good. Personalized first Christmas Mr. and Mrs. So recently married Christmas ornaments. 43 sales in the last 7 days. And the next one and the last one on page 1, and then we'll wrap the video. Personalized puppy's first Christmas. Again, guys, it's this first Christmas aspect, whether it's first Christmas married, first Christmas engaged, first Christmas baby, first Christmas puppy. Guys, work this angle. I'm sure there's more to it if you go deeper, but one key takeaway from this video I think that we've seen is the consistency in some of these niches already generating strong sales in October. I hope you are feeling inspired in terms of getting some print-on-demand Christmas ornaments launched. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll link to Etsy Hunt, I'll link to Printify, and I'll link to the video I referenced that I dropped last week about how to do the personalized Christmas ornaments with photos from your customer. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.